Today's video is about function of roots. So function of roots is nothing but fixation and absorption of minerals, mineral water and salts. So apart from this, how these functions occur. So in today's video, we'll be seeing about how this process happens. So absorption and conduction of water and mineral occurs through five main processes. So five main processes are there. They are imbibition, diffusion, osmosis, active transport, and turgidity and flaccidity. So through this five main process it happens. The first one is what is imbibition. It is a phenomena by which the living or dead plant cells absorb water by surface attraction. So like the wooden doors swell during winter season because of the swelling of the wooden doors can't close the door properly. This is due to the this is because of imbibition, because wooden doors absorb the moisture and swell. And similarly, next example is dry seeds. When they are soaked in water, it imbibes, means it absorbs the water. The thing is, suppose if it's a sponge, it absorbs water, you can squeeze it and take back the water. Whereas when it is absorbed through imbibition, you can't collect the water. On just squeezing the seeds, you can't get back the water. What is diffusion? It is a free movement of molecules of a substance, solute or solvent or gas or a liquid, from a region of their higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Next one is osmosis. So what is osmosis? It's a movement of water molecules from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So here, this is a setup, apparatus has been set in this way. For osmosis, you are taking a beaker. In this beaker, water is added. So the blue color is totally water, and inside this, a thistle funnel is taken. And the end of this mouth of the thistle funnel, we are tying a semi-permeable membrane, and inside this, sugar solution is added, and it has been fixed with the help of the stand, and it has been set up inside the water beaker. Then what happens is, first we have to see the initial reading, like sugar solution is added till this mark. The green color indicates sugar solution. So this is the initial reading. Just you leave this setup for few hours, we can find that there will be a rise in water from in the thistle funnel. So it shows that in the water there is no solute at all. So here the concentration is more here. So the water molecules move from a lower concentration region to a higher concentration region through this semi-permeable membrane, which is tied through the mouth of the thistle funnel. So through this it enters, and because of this there's an increase in the thistle funnel water level. So this process you called as osmosis. This is an experiment. Now what I explained, it is written here. So like aim, experiment to demonstrate osmosis. So what are the things required? A glass beaker of 250 ml, a thistle funnel is needed, sugar solution is needed, water, and animal bladder. It's nothing but this animal bladder works as a semi-permeable membrane. And procedure. So the setup, same procedure, whatever I explained, it is given here. Set up the apparatus as shown in the figure, and water in the beaker, fill the sugar solution inside the thistle funnel, and the mouth of the thistle funnel is tied with the animal bladder, and mark the level of the sugar solution, initial reading. Then leave the setup for few hours. The level of the water in the thistle funnel would have risen. So mark the final level. So conclusion, the water from the beaker has moved to the thistle funnel through the animal bladder, that is a semi-permeable membrane. So this has allowed only water molecules to pass through it inside but not outside. So sugar molecules have not come outside. So only water has passed through this. So it is selective. This shows it is selectively permeable. The next is about diffusion. So here a clean glass tumbler, water is taken inside, and in that a drop of colored solution. When a drop of colored solution is added, it starts to mix everywhere. This process is called as diffusion. This is diffusion. It mixes. If you find this video informative and useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel.